Hey LinkedIn peeps, it's Crystal Thies, the LinkedIn Ninja. Did you know that you can send both audio and video messages through the LinkedIn Messenger? Now, audio messages have been around for a while, but video messages are fairly new. In fact, not everybody may have them. These are also features that are only available on the mobile apps, so it's not something you can do from desktop. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through how you go about doing that in case you don't have it and in case you're not quite sure where it's at. So here's a picture of my mobile phone, my brand new Samsung Galaxy Note. I'm really excited about it. But so what you'd want to do is when you are in regular LinkedIn, go ahead and click on your message button to open up your messages and go ahead and click on the create a new message. And I'm going to use my trusty pal here, Liz Kitchell, who actually you can kind of see that I've already played around with this a little bit. And so if I click into the box, you'll notice to the left here is the audio, the little audio logo right there, and then you'll see a plus sign. Now I am on Android. I can't guarantee that Apple iOS is the same, but you'll see this little plus, and when I click on that plus, it opens up several options. One of them is video. And so if I click on the video, now it's set up so that it's the back camera. Of course, you can switch it over, but you would be able to go ahead and click, and there I'm recording the video through the LinkedIn video messaging app, just like you would do any other video message, and go ahead and click stop when you're done. And then you'll see this little arrow. Well, it's replaying it, but I don't have the volume up so you can't quite hear it. But click on the little arrow and boom, it sends it automatically. Now that's something to keep in mind. If you watch it there, it sends it automatically. You don't get a chance to do any edits or anything like that. It just goes if you're going to do it. So, don't click on that blue arrow unless you're sure that you really, really like it. But hey, it's a brand new feature. How can you leverage this in building your relationships on LinkedIn? Pretty cool, huh? You can't really do that through email quite so easy. Yeah, I know there's apps to do it, but hey, a lot easier to do it this way. So here's the latest and greatest. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you've got it, if you've tried it, if you've had any success with it, and we'll chat with you again later.